on bananas. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. If you've never been here before, the usual request, please. Head to our website, weekendатthecottage.com. When you're there, subscribe to our website. After that, you're probably watching this video on YouTube. And if you are, please remember, subscribe to our channel as well. Click for notifications, thumbs up, and drop us comments if you like this video. I think you're gonna love this video. Finally, why not keep chatting with us on one or more of your favorite social media platforms, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. This episode is totally bananas, and I'm going to present it in two parts for your enjoyment. If you have kids in your midst, kids of all ages, why not listen up? Something scrumptious is in the works. Part one, we are making frozen bananas dipped in chocolate, rolled in salted peanuts. Before you begin, a general discussion about this wondrous fruit, bananas. We love them. I love purchasing them like this with a little bit of brown spots. If they're overly ripened, it won't work for this recipe. If they're overly ripened, make our fabulous banana bread. Click here for our banana bread recipe. Forget about that. Back to this incredible treatment. We're taking our bananas, we're peeling them, and then take away those little fibrous hairs. We're placing our bananas down onto the work surface, and then you're going to need a bamboo skewer. You can find them at your dollar stores, a package of 30 for $1. I like to trim off about an inch of the bamboo skewer so that it then goes properly into this banana. Take your banana, because of the curve, we're going to press it down on the work surface, place your skewer in, and step one is done. Onto a parchment lined baking sheet. We are going to freeze them overnight. The following day, once your bananas are frozen, we're ready to dip them in hot chocolate. And what we need here is 12 ounces of a semi-sweet chocolate. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of coconut oil into the bowl. I then have a pot on stove top, about 2 inches of water. When the water comes to a boil, reduce to simmer, and then place your bowl on top. You're gonna take a whisk. The chocolate and coconut oil will melt. When they completely do, you're left with a beautiful chocolate coating. We're going to transfer it to a very shallow dish. It needs to be shallow because we're going to be twisting those bananas in the chocolate. Then I want you to take a handy chopper. We're going to add about 2 cups of salted peanuts. Process them till they're pretty finely ground. Transfer your chopped nuts into a shallow, elongated dish, and then kind of push them up to one side. We then take our frozen banana, dip it in the chocolate. We're then going to dip it in the peanuts, lift, turn, and you're left with a perfectly coated, chocolate-dipped, peanut-crusted frozen banana. Now, if you think that's great, wait till you see the brainwave that Carol and I had regarding our second option on how to make these. To begin this incredible treatment, we're taking our bananas, peeling them, and then cutting them into about 1-inch sections. We're taking our skewer, we're adding a piece of banana, then a marshmallow, then a piece of banana, marshmallow, and keep alternating. As soon as your skewer is almost filled, right at the end, we're adding a Swedish berry. We're going to transfer these banana skewers onto a parchment lined baking sheet. Same thing, they need to freeze overnight. The following day, our final steps. Take a package of graham crackers into your handy chopper. We're going to pulse till it's a fine grind. Transfer your graham crackers into that elongated dish. And now, when your chocolate's hot, you have your frozen banana, marshmallow, berry skewer. Then we dip the skewer in the hot chocolate. If you have a pastry brush handy, you can just dab any little bits that are missing the coating, and then over to the crushed graham crackers. We're kind of twirling, dip, twirl until this is perfectly coated. I have presented you with 2 fabulous frozen banana options. Whether you're dipping in chocolate with salted peanuts or you're doing our frozen banana s'mores, 2 fabulous things I know your friends and family are going to enjoy. Proof is always in the pudding, or in this case, on the skewer. Frozen banana, chocolate, salted peanuts. Oh my God. This has got to be made by you straight away. After that, please come on back. Hang out with Weekend at the Cottage again. Hope to see you soon. Beautiful. Oh, it's fabulous. This is just fabulous. Oh!